easy build mini-mite wood pellet furnace. This is just a used industrial cylinder with welded on T-legs, and the over fire exhaust vent is simply a 1 3/4 floor flange. So you'll use 1 3/4 black pipe. And the under fire is just preset drilled holes, 5/8, and then there's a valve booster if you need it for underfire air. The door's a homemade insert with built-up steel. Homemade door. Everything's repurposed here. There's your inside underfire fuel grate. Very, very thick gauge steel on here. This will be super efficient. This is going to really give off a lot of heat per what I'm putting in it. It's going to be a nice little unit for an ice shack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.